Cruising is like rolling multiple vacations into one, floating from port to port without ever having to repack. Whether you crave tropical beaches, ancient ruins, or icy frontiers, there's a cruise itinerary with your name on it. Today, we'll explore 15 top-notch destinations that promise unique cultures, breathtaking vistas, and flavors from around the world. Ready to set sail? Let's cast off. Imagine your perfect beach day. Now multiply that by a dozen islands, each with its own twist on paradise. The Caribbean offers reggae beats in Jamaica, French flair in Martinique, spicy Creole cuisine in St. Lucia, and pirate legends in the Bahamas. Short hops between islands mean you can taste a new culture every day. Snorkel, sunbathe, or wander the local markets. This is your stress-free slice of heaven. If wilderness adventure is your vibe, Alaska cruises never disappoint. Watch glaciers carve into sapphire waters, soar over ice fields in a helicopter, or sip hot cocoa on your balcony while spotting bald eagles overhead. Between the rugged landscapes and abundant wildlife, this is nature's showstopper. The best part, you can explore fishing towns, visit indigenous cultural centers, and still make it back to your ship for a cozy evening by the onboard fireplace. Take centuries of history, sun-bleached coastlines, and some of the world's best cuisine, then roll it all together. Voila, you have the Mediterranean. One day you're sipping espresso in Rome, the next you're dancing the night away in Barcelona. Ancient sites, Renaissance art, and a culinary scene that's second to none. If you love culture, coastline views, and people watching from charming piazzas, this is your dream route. The Baltic region blends a fairy tale atmosphere with cutting-edge style. Sweden's capital exudes that Scandinavian minimalism, while Russia's St. Petersburg dazzles with grand boulevards and imperial history. In between, you'll find smaller gems like Estonia's Tallinn, where cobblestone streets meet a digital-savvy culture. Each port brims with museums, cafes, and local stories waiting to be discovered. Norway's fjords feel like stepping into a watercolor painting. Impossibly sheer cliffs, mirror-like waters, and snow-capped peaks in the backdrop. Small towns with grass-roofed houses pop up like something out of a storybook. Wake up to the hush of nature and watch for the occasional pod of dolphins gliding alongside your ship. It's quiet, majestic, and utterly magical. The Galápagos is where Darwin's evolutionary dreams came true. These volcanic isles boast marine iguanas, giant tortoises, and penguins all living their best lives. Strict ecological rules keep it pristine and intimate, meaning small groups, close encounters, and a rare chance to see nature utterly unbothered by humans. It's pure, unfiltered science come to life. Think Bora Bora, Tahiti, and Moorea, names that conjure images of silky beaches, turquoise seas, and swaying palm trees. The water here is so blue it almost looks photoshopped. Add in warm hospitality, local dance traditions, and succulent tropical fruits, and you'll find yourself asking, can I just stay here forever? It's slow-paced, romantic, and undeniably luxurious. Southeast Asia is sensory overload in the best way. Each stop brims with exotic flavors, from fragrant curries to sweet coconut desserts. Marvel at the region's blend of Buddhist heritage, colonial remnants, and futuristic cityscapes. Whether you're haggling at a vibrant market, visiting ancient temples, or gazing at emerald-hued islands, these waters offer endless cultural discoveries and mouth-watering treats. Dreaming of scenic coastlines, quirky wildlife, and top-notch coffee? Look no further than an Aussie-Kiwi cruise. Dive into Sydney's cosmopolitan vibes, then head to New Zealand's dramatic fjords, geothermal wonders, and Maori cultural hubs. Spot penguins, taste award-winning wines, and maybe even say good day to a kangaroo. It's like a double feature of the Pacific's most welcoming destinations. Where towering skyscrapers and ancient bazaars exist side by side, the Arabian Gulf reveals a tapestry of old meets new. Experience the grandeur of mosques, the aroma of exotic spices, and the thrill of desert safaris. Whether you're drawn to cutting-edge architecture or centuries-old traditions, this region radiates warmth. And we're not just talking about the weather. Say aloha to the ultimate laid-back island vibe. Each Hawaiian island has its own personality: Oahu's bustling energy, Kauai's rugged beauty, Maui's famed beaches, and the Big Island's volcanic wonders. Fill your days with surf lessons, luau's, and hikes through rainforest trails. The spirit of aloha is woven into everything here, from the fresh pineapple to the friendly locals. If you've ever fantasized about losing yourself on a tiny island in the middle of the ocean, the South Pacific is calling. From Melanesia to Polynesia, you'll find ancient cultures, untouched beaches, and a pace of life that encourages you to forget what day it is. Dive among kaleidoscopic reefs, share a coconut with locals, and relish the feeling of being truly off-grid. Penguins waddle and squawk on snowy shores, towering icebergs gleam in the distance. Yes, you can cruise to the end of the earth. Antarctica's raw, otherworldly beauty is like nothing else. Think colossal glaciers, midnight sun, and wildlife that appears unfazed by human visitors. These expeditions come with expert guides who know how to keep you safe and how to make each iceberg encounter unforgettable. Stepping foot on the white continent is an achievement in itself. Part feat of engineering, part passage to lush tropical backdrops, the Panama Canal is a must for cruising enthusiasts. Uncover colonial heritage in Cartagena, stroll through Costa Rica's wildlife-rich rainforests, and stand in awe of ancient Mayan ruins. Plus that moment when your ship transits the canal's locks, pure bucket list gold. Craving old-world elegance? Transatlantic voyages channel the golden age of sea travel. Think refined dining, ballroom dancing, and leisurely days with no land in sight. Whether you're crossing from Europe to the Americas or vice versa, embrace a journey marked by relaxation, reflection, and that swoon-worthy feeling of sailing straight into the sunset. From tropical havens to frozen frontiers, cruises let you sample the world's wonders without the usual travel hassles. Each itinerary is its own tapestry of culture, nature, and unforgettable moments. So whether you're daydreaming of sipping pina coladas in the Caribbean or watching penguins in Antarctica, I hope these 15 destinations spark your wanderlust. Remember, the horizon is always shifting, and each day at sea carries a promise of something new. Bon voyage and safe travels. Thank you so much for sailing with me today. If you loved this roundup or have a dream cruise stop we missed, drop a comment below and let's chat. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're now itching to book your next voyage. The community is all about swapping travel tips and stories, so share yours. Before you weigh anchor on your next big plan, be sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. We're all about guiding you to the best travel experiences. If you've got a friend who keeps saying, we should go on a cruise someday, send them this video and turn that someday into right now. Thanks for watching and see you on our next adventure.